Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Melissa.
I'm Garrett.
And we are the Leffersons, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 15!
There already?
We have an exchange today, a sticker exchange. Yes, and this was created, this is one of the several exchanges that it was created by Christy over at Christy's Corner. We will leave her again linked up here and below. And we will link all of the channels participating. There's only a few, so I'm just gonna say them right now. We have the Disney Sisters, EarResistable Magic, Christy's Corner, Perfectly Cat, and us. I thought finding stickers was going to be easy, but it was kind of hard for us. So hopefully our person liked our stickers. We will leave who we sent our stickers to below as well. All the videos, all the channels will be linked below.
And we received our stickers from Perfectly Cat over in Missouri. So we're gonna cut it open.
She has such a fun Disney YouTube channel, and she is like so energetic and so positive, and definitely go check her out. She has an amazing channel. Oh, what's happening? Oh. So this says Bring It On, and this is someone from Emperor's New Groove. I know that she's super into Emperor's New Groove, so that is so cute. And she put Happy Holidays on the back from Cat at Perfectly Cat. So cute. I love that little added touch.
So whenever we got the envelope, it was a little bit thicker, but we'll get there. So let's start going through our stickers.
Oh my gosh!
So this one, I'm gonna
These
open
are
it up.
awesome. These stickers are amazing. These stickers are A Bug's Life stickers. So I'll start out with an amazing one, my favorite one. It is Heimlich, the caterpillar, and soon to be the beautiful butterfly, and he's eating a piece of candy corn. So cute.
Up next, we have Francis, the ladybug, but don't call him a lady because he's not a lady. And then,
So great.
And then we have
Dot.
She's so cute.
She's so
Purpley
cute.
and pink. Ah, adorable.
And then we have Flick and Princess Ada, and they are so cute together. Look at them. Oh, these are so fun. Where did you find these? These
There's
are
no
super
shop
fun.
name on them, so.
Super duper fun.
Did you make them? That'd be cool.
That would be cool.
Up next,
Fun! Little Mermaid.
I had to put it on a backer card because it's clear and you couldn't see through
It was hard to see through, yeah.
So you have Ariel and all her goodness, Flounder, Prince Eric. Oh, she's just so...
Those are so pretty.
And they're like sparkly. Can you see that? Yeah.
Yeah, those are fun. I love that.
And
love
they
that.
have like glitter to them. She's so pretty.
She's so pretty.
Ugh. Effortless beauty. Oh,
this is cool.
So there's two in this.
My gosh.
Let me open this up. Hold on a second.
Oh my gosh, where did you find? Oh, there's a shop up here. Okay, I'll leave the shop link down below. These are so cute. So there's two different sticker sheets, and this one is an up sticker sheet. Look at all of these amazing stickers. You've got like Carl and the house, and Kevin, Russell, Doug. We've got the grape soda, the mailbox, so many, and then like them as kids.
I love the styling of
Oh,
it.
these are beautiful. Look at Doug right there. He's so cute.
Little Doug.
These are beautiful. So this is from Pretty Sheepy. I'll leave them linked down below if I can find them. Those are super cool too.
There was another set in there, and it's a set of posters of all these different rides. So People Mover, Mr. Toad's Wild Ride, which is now the Pooh Ride.
But they still have it at Disneyland.
Never been. I think these are, does Disneyland have a People Mover?
Yes.
I don't know anything. But all sorts of stuff. I think this is Disneyland because it has California Screamin'.
Yeah, so that has to be Disneyland.
Yeah, is there...
The Carousel of Progress? I don't know if there is one in Disneyland. There might be, honestly.
But I like the vintage look of these.
They're amazing. They're all so old school looking and vintage. Love it.
Late
These are
50s.
so fun.
There's actually one more thing in there. It's a little bonus pack.
Ooh.
And it has Duke Kaboom.
Oh my gosh.
Yes.
We've been getting a lot of Duke Kaboom things lately.
Canada. I don't know what that means. But that's cute.
That is super cute.
Now we do it. I think we do have a bonus.
Canada.
I know it's Canada.
You said Canada. You didn't
Because
say it
there's
right.
a dash in between.
Okay.
Canada. And there was a bonus item which made it a little bit thicker. We don't have this.
No, that's so
We surprisingly
cute.
don't have this.
That is so cute.
Thank you. This is going to go into our Wally collection, and it's Wally and Eve, and it says love up there.
Oh, I love that. And Garrett, do you love it?
I love it.
Garrett's been getting so many things during all these swaps.
Because
and
everybody
everyone in
feels
the
sorry
comments
for
has
me.
been like, yeah, everyone in the comments has been like, it's funny how like the subscription boxes are tailored to me, but when we do swaps, everyone feels bad for you.
I will
so
take.
like Garrett gets all the things, which I love that though. I love that. And really like, we love the same things. Like we like the same things. So if there's things that I get, Garrett's still like, oh, and look at my shirt.
Dear Santa, thanks for noticing me.
Box lunch. Hit it up.
So here's a secret. I don't like the things that she likes, but happy wife, happy life. So it's a double pinback pin, back to what we're actually doing here.
Sidetracked.
And it is a pin on pin. So Eve there is actually coming off of it. So she's 3D.
That's beautiful.
I love it.
Perfect for us. Literally perfect because we don't have that pin either. Is that pin
No.
new? I wonder.
I don't know.
Fun.
I
love,
don't
love,
know
love
anything.
me some pins. Well, thank you so much, Kat. That was
Thank you.
amazing. You did a wonderful job. I am obsessed. Like, all of the stickers are amazing. I can't believe you found Bugs Life.
We gotta find
Stickers?
somewhere to stick all these.
Like, these are so cool. So, loving it. Loving it.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. And
This
be
was
sure to
fun.
go check out all of the other sticker exchanges down below because there are some like amazing Disney stickers out there. It's time to open our pin advent calendar.
I always forget.
You forgot. Okay, it's day 15, so let's see. Not in there.
So it's in the box.
So we got our pins for our advent calendar were purchased from Magic Launch Bay, which is an amazing subscription. They kind of used to be a subscription. Now you can just buy mystery boxes from them. They have a Facebook and an Instagram. I will link that all down below. But they send you pins from all the international parks. We've been getting so many amazing pins. Our Vlogmas playlist will also be linked down below so you can check out all the other pins we've gotten.
They come in these nice, colorful blind bags. You don't know what's in there.
I hear a jingle. Like it sounds like it's
That's a
gonna be
moving
a
element.
slider or a moving element. Yeah,
Pull it.
I'm gonna pull it. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty.
So let's take it out of the packaging real quick so we can see it without a whole bunch of glare.
So this is a Disneyland Paris Christmas pin. And there's that Joyeux Noël again.
Yeah.
Joyeux Noël, we don't know.
Don't speak French, sorry, can't read it.
But there's that little saying again, and there's the Disneyland Paris castle with Tinkerbell on top, and she is wearing this adorable little Santa outfit. You know who she looks like?
No.
She looks like the Mean Girls. She looks like the Mean Girls outfits. From when they sing the Jingle Bell Rock in their Mean Girls outfits. That's what it looks like she's wearing right now. She's super sassy.
I figured out what the jingling was.
Limited edition of 700. Oh, and it says a number. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the back real quick. We have limited edition 566 of 700. Can you see that?
That's
says
pretty
that.
stinking cool.
That is so cool. Love that. And then it slides because
it's a countdown.
Yeah, it's a countdown to Christmas.
Look,
Can
we
you
gotta
guys
get
see
closer.
that? Oh, that is so fun.
That's awesome.
That is super duper cool.
It's a thick, look at this pin.
That
It's
is a
thick.
very
Well,
thick pin.
They had to fit that moving element.
That's true, that's true. But that is such a cool pin.
I like it.
What year is that from? It says 2017 on the little backer card here.
That looks right.
2017, and this was 15 euro. Still an amazing pin, another limited edition, another international pin from Magic Launch Bay. They have been absolutely killing it this entire
So
time.
nice.
You need to go and watch all the other videos if you are new here from other channels.
Mm-hmm.
Go watch the other videos because those pins
Are awesome.
have been amazing.
This is going on the pin board.
Yes, on our Christmas pin board. All right, that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give it that big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Let us know what your favorite sticker was. And subscribe to our channel for more Disney content, for more Vlogmas, for Disney World vlogs, for all the things.
Also, what do you do with your stickers? Where do
What
you
do
put
with
them?
your stickers? We usually use them for like pin mail.
Oh yeah.
But these stickers, like the Bugs Life ones and stuff, I'm gonna wanna keep those.
Yeah.
So we'll have to figure out what to do with them. Yeah, leave a comment down below about that as well. That's good. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
See you later.